everyone, welcome back to To Do. In today's video, we are going to talk about one of the most famous universities in the world, Oxford University. If you are from Pakistan, India, or any European country and you dream of studying at Oxford but don't know the real process, this video will guide you step by step in a very simple way. Oxford University is located in England and is one of the oldest and top-ranked universities in the world. It offers undergraduate, master's, and PhD programs in almost every field, including computer science, engineering, medicine, business, law, economics, social sciences, and artificial intelligence. Every year, thousands of international students apply, and many students from Pakistan, India, and Europe are selected. To get admission to Oxford, the most important thing is your academic background. Oxford does not only look at marks, but they look at how strong you are in your subject. For undergraduate programs, students must have excellent academic records. If you are from Pakistan, FSC or intermediate alone is usually not enough. Oxford prefers A-Levels International Baccalaureate or equivalent qualifications. Some students also take foundation routes before applying. From India, CBSE or ISC students must have very high percentages, especially in relevant subjects. European students can apply with their national or European baccalaureate, but grades must be outstanding. For master's programs, you must have a bachelor's degree from a recognized university. Your degree should be related to the course you are applying for, and usually a first-class or high second-class equivalent is required. Work experience is helpful for some programs, but not always mandatory. Since Oxford teaches in English, English language proficiency is compulsory for most international students. You will need to take IELTS, academic, TOEFL, or another accepted English test. In most cases, the required IELTS score is between 7.0 and 7.5 overall, but some courses may ask for even higher scores. Students from Pakistan, India, and non-English speaking countries must submit these results. The admission process starts by choosing the right course. You must carefully read the course requirements on Oxford's official website. Each course has its own eligibility criteria, deadlines, and document requirements. After choosing the course, you need to prepare your documents, including academic transcripts, certificates, a strong personal statement, recommendation letters from teachers or professors, and your English test results. Some courses also require written entrance tests or assessments. These tests are subject-based and check your understanding, problem-solving skills, and academic thinking. If you pass this stage, shortlisted students are invited for interviews. Interviews are academic in nature and focus on how you think, not just what you memorize. Many interviews are conducted online for international students. Undergraduate students apply through the UCA system, while postgraduate students apply directly through Oxford's online application portal. It is very important to apply early because Oxford deadlines are strict and much earlier than many other universities. Now, let's talk about fees and scholarships. Oxford is expensive, but it also offers many scholarships. Tuition fees for international undergraduate students usually range from £30,000 to £45,000 per year. Master's programs can cost between £25,000 to £50,000 per year, depending on the course. Living expenses in the UK are around £12,000 to £15,000 per year. Oxford offers fully funded and partially funded scholarships, including the Clarendon Scholarship, Rhodes Scholarship, and Weidenfeld-Hoffmann Scholarship. Many of these scholarships cover tuition fees, living costs, and even travel expenses. Students from Pakistan, India, and Europe can apply for these scholarships if they meet the eligibility criteria. If you really want to study at Oxford, start preparing at least 1 year in advance. Focus on your academics, build a strong personal statement, and choose your referees wisely. Show your passion for the subject and explain why Oxford is the right place for you. Many students think Oxford is impossible, but every year students from developing countries get selected because they prepare properly. Oxford is competitive, but it is not impossible. With the right planning, strong academic performance, and confidence, you can achieve your dream. If others can do it, you can do it too. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to How To Do, and comment below with your country and dream university. Let me know if you want a full video on Oxford scholarships or personal statement writing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.